Hi, today I have a package for you guys. It's a package from Obijanje Brave. Obijanje Brave, thank you very much for sending it to me. Hvala najlepše. This package travels a lot. Obijanje Brave sent it like a couple of months ago. Then Swedish Post returned it for some reason, I don't know why. And then he again sent it to me, and finally it's here. So yeah, customs open, and I don't know who else opened this one. So yeah, finally I got this package. So it's a big one. I will try to somehow, let's try, because it was open from somewhere here. I will try to open it from the same place. Probably Serbian custom or Swedish custom open it, but I have no idea why they return it to Serbia. So it's yeah, but finally after months, maybe 3, 4, 5 months, I have no idea, finally the package is here. A lot of locks, nothing inside. Let me double check. Yeah, nothing inside. So let's start. I can see only one lock that I know. This is Albert Lobel. I think it's his lock, or maybe not. It's his. That's how he picked. Yeah, it's Albert Lobel. Acid. And Mammoth Heat, that's awesome. I was out of usually 6-pin locks and usually a lot of headache, but that's how it is. Albert Lobel is making very nice challenge locks, very nice pins. So the next one, trying to figure it out, this packaging is this oh, it's a tubular lock. Awesome. Car show security lock. Very nice, very interesting and unique tubular lock. It's working very nice. And thank you very much. I just recently started and I picked my first tubular lock, so this is going to be very nice pick. Next one, only a key, probably is this one. Let me check. 008 Reincarnation MLP. I don't know who he is. Wow, Matt's lockpick. Haha, that's the MLP. I did not know. This is my first Matt lockpick challenge lock. I already can see some weirdness in the key, and the lock is beaten, and yeah, that's awesome. Mammoth key again. 5 pins. Maybe he did something with this pin. So yeah, again 008 Matt's lockpick. Awesome. I think I pick all my challenge locks, so this is very good because I now have 2 or 3 challenge locks. Next one, come on, yell. Without, this is with key, this is without key. So yell. I don't know if this is a housing only, and I have no idea. There was no other keys, so maybe a challenge lock, maybe not, but awesome. Maybe I can pick it after I finish with this. I can pick this if it's a standard one. Maybe it's a challenge lock. And half long, very long Euro cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 5 pin, no name, but very long one. It's interesting, so long. Let me check. I cannot see. I think that's not a serration, so maybe this is a standard. Come on, just let's make it. And the last one, come on, last one is again a challenge lock, commercial pins by Talons. It's a mammoth key, but this is my first lock commercial pins, that's how it's called, by Talons. This is the first lock, and I think I did never heard about Talons, so I will need to check who he is, because usually I am familiar with the lock pickers and lock makers, challenge lock makers, but that's maybe some newer channel, so that's going to be awesome. I always try, when I find always a new channel, it's always good because new content, and it's always awesome to find a new picker. 6-pin lock, roto. This is the first time I'm seeing this kind of roto lock, so yeah, first for everything, first challenge lock from Talons, first roto lock. So yeah, awesome. I have now a lot of challenge lock. Obijanje Brave, thank you very much, guys. Please go to his channel, check his channel, and I think I will rearrange a bit and try to pick this one. Anyways, or this one maybe. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye. Wait. Let's do it like this. Because I never tried to use this tubular tubular tool, because I did not have a tubular lock. Now because I have one, that Obijanje Brave sent it to me, I'll now try to use this tool. The lock is working, so the cam is moving, and yeah, usually I'm picking locks, but now I will show you how to use this tool. This was sent to me a long time ago by Bearsbeck. Thank you very much for sending this kit to me, and now finally I can use this kit. I put additional rings, additional how it's called, I forgot the name, rubber rings, I don't know how they call it, and the thing is that you need to make it zeroid with this, and then put it back and just try to align this inside part with like the key with a notch there, and just put it and try to go left and right, and now it's out, it's open. So yeah, so now I'm stuck because there is no stop, or maybe I can use this screw to then decode it, but I zero it again, move this part back, going left and right, and then it's open, so I can use it. You can see the cam is moving. So yeah, this was like short how this tool is very useful with this kind of lock, and why this tubular lock are not in use anymore. Yeah, again, Obijanje Brave, thank you very much for sending this lock to me, and all the locks, all the challenge locks. I will be busy for a while, and guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.